Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I just wanted to do something a bit more like beauty, makeup related. So I'm here inspired by my nails, which are like pinky and rose goldy. I just wanted to do something fun. I don't really wear a lot of color, as you can see, even in clothes. So I wanted to do something fun, colorful, little bit of glitter, little bit of like an extra glam makeup look. I wanted to do something like this just because I've been seeing like heavy glam makeup recently, especially on my Pinterest. So I wanted to do my take. So yeah, let's get straight into it. It's LA Girl color in the shade Golden Bronze. Heavy or glam, I need something with more coverage. So I'm just using this as my mirror. Just make sure you blend in your neck. Nothing frustrates me more than seeing people with the wrong color foundation, like especially when they get like tans and stuff, and you see it in pictures and they're just like completely different color. I also want to do like this bit down here, down my parting of my hair. Moving on to concealer, I just bought this new, it's called Nude Natural, and I know this is too light for me, so this is gonna sort of counteract the orange. I'm not going to do my whole usual concealer in this. I also have the color in Creamy Beige. This is to neutralize it a bit more. So this is closer to my skin color, and this is like what I use to like melt it together, blend it in like a bit more. Like you can see this is a bit more like yellowy. So I've also already dampened my beauty blender, and I never used to use one of these, but ever since I did, I noticed that my makeup routine, like, oh well, the makeup, when I do my makeup, that it looks a bit more like, a lot more flawless and like blended together and like melted in kind of thing. So I'm done with concealer now. Moving on to contouring, I literally use a foundation that is too dark for me. Last week we put up our, beginning of last week, which was like mid-November, we had already put up our Christmas tree just because it's like so fun. And apparently Christmas decorations make you happier. So who doesn't want to feel happy around this time of the year? Now I'm just going in with my baking powder. I just want to put some on my forehead, but not bake this. I want it to like soak in or like absorb into my skin and like the foundation and stuff. Just to give it like, this is where I get oily. So I first like blended in. Cool, so we're back. Eyebrows are done. I just ran through, I'm just going to touch up a bit more with some brow gel just to set that in place. Now I'm just gonna wipe away the powder because it's been there for a while. I am going to leave the excess on the brush and then just tap my eye. You can just use whatever contour. That was Maybelline. Kind of push it away from your face, like, and then at your forehead bring it down, but everywhere else push it back into your hairline because you can't have like the color of your foundation in your hairline. Just using setting spray and dampening this other beauty blender. I always have to put this on my lip to see like where it's wet, and I'm just using this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. And you can, I don't know if you can tell, but it's quite iridescent. Trophy Wife, yeah, this is amazing. Like, look at that, it's just like solid gold. With Trophy Wife is that you really have to, I think like you have to be a bit more of a like warmer skin tone just because it is quite yellow and sometimes it would look kind of weird, like even on my skin tone. Just before I go in with my eye makeup, gonna add some of this, which is the e.l.f. translucent setting powder. And I kind of do it like a bake. I know I just put highlight on. I feel like I'm breaking all the makeup guru rules. Because I'm just going to kind of set the top because I get so oily. So I think I'll just go for it, like start off, see what happens. I'm going to take a blending brush. Just go in with a light brown kind of color like this. Transition shade. Just pop that all over the lid and blend it out. So I'm going to start with this. As you can see, that's so intense. This pink is very pink. I am slightly scared. I'm thinking I might do a bit of orange in there. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of purple for some depth. I'm just going to go in with a bit more of this. Just because the fallout's real. Okay, today this orange is not being pigmented. Not sure why. Gonna attempt this bloody cut crease thing. So I'm gonna go in with natural again because it's really white. Oh gosh, it's so much product. I should probably do this on a brush because I don't want this to change color. Okay, I've got this tiny little angled brush here. I'm just layering it. I don't want to use glitter glue. I mean eyelash glue, because I've got the Benefit one and it just literally sticks to your bloody eye like super glue. One drop, just thin that out and pat that onto your eye. Going in with the glitter now. This is going to be a bit messy. So I've got in some glitter there and I'm just going to go back in the same brush again. Pack that on. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this. Okay, so we are done with the glitter. Now we're just going to go back in with that blending brush, a bit of pink. Now I'm going to dust off this powder to tidy up around the sides. Now I'm going to go in with the same blending brush, just a little bit, but mainly with the orange. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with right now. Just taking this like champagne color here, putting that on the brow bone. I like an extra highlight on the nose and Cupid's bow. Now I'm going in with eyeliner. Don't worry too much about the end bit because that is going to be taken care of with the liquid part. This is more like the gel first. Okay, so that's what it's looking like at the moment. The good thing is that it can always be fixed with the liquid. So I just try to do it as fast as I can. Great, so I'm all done, got my lashes on. I've also got some mascara and my lippy. I just thought I'd do like the finishing stuff off camera because this video is already so long. So, thanks for watching.